If you want to reset secure folder password on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, if you open the secure folder and if you enter an incorrect password, and if you have assigned your Samsung account to the secure folder, then you should be able to tap on forgot pattern, pin, password, or something similar somewhere in this menu. And then over here we have the option to reset our secure folder lock by signing into our Samsung account, and then you will have the option to change the password. Now, let's say that our Google account is actually not assigned. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go to settings, let's go here, and now I'm gonna remove the Samsung account from the secure folder. There we go. So now, if I, of course, try to enter an incorrect password to the secure folder, I will not have the option to unlock it. There is only the contact us option, which of course you can try to use to contact Samsung to try to get the access back to the secure folder. Although what you can also do is you can go to settings on your phone. There we go. And in settings, you can simply remove your you can remove your Samsung account. So we're gonna go to accounts and backup, and then we can choose to manage accounts. Over here, I have my Google account, once again, Samsung account. So I'm just gonna remove it over here. Let's tap on remove account and then confirm, and if needed, go through additional verification. Alright, after signing out, you should be able to go to the secure folder and you will have this information that your Samsung account was removed from this phone, and then in order to continue using it, you need to sign in again to your Samsung account. But in addition to that, we also have the uninstall button, which allows you to completely remove the secure folder from your phone, and then of course you can set it up again. Of course, it has a certain drawback, and that is that everything that you have in the secure folder is going to be erased. So unless you are certain that there is no way for you to recover the password, you can tap on uninstall to get rid of the secure folder. Of course, afterwards you can sign into your Google account again, and then you can set up the secure folder one more time by going to security and privacy. Then over here, go to more security settings. And of course, over here, we can set up the secure folder. Leave a like and subscribe.